Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got haul and swatches from Moonshine Manny for June of 2023. It's just quick. It's three polishes, and this one is Put a Little Love in Your Heart. And these are all from her Dupe It project. I'm trying to stay on top of that. This next one is Ruby Tuesday. And then the last one here is Wild Horses. So here we go with the swatches. And I really do love her project Dupe It, especially now that I'm not buying like tons of mainstream polishes. I'm not getting, and I'm also trying not to pay attention to the, hardcore, gotta have it polishes videos and stuff like I used to, the popular, the ones that are groundbreaking and all that. So being able to get her dupes is really nice for me. Plus I'm less tempted because I'm just looking at one place. There is Put a Little Love in Your Heart. And here we go with Ruby Tuesday. And I think this one was from a Essie polish, maybe. I don't know. If I can remember, I'll try to remember to put those on the screen or something. But and I really love Phoebe's buy 3 deal. You get discounts when you buy 3 polishes, so that helped here too. All right, we're going to put some top coat on it. Put some top coat. So I did 3 coats of this one just to make it opaque. I didn't want to go too thick with it with all those glitters in it, so I did thinner layers, and I did 3 of them in the top coat. So there is Ruby Tuesday. And the last one here, Wild Horses. This one's probably my favorite, but you guys know I had a thing for pink polishes. And pink polishes with shimmer really pull at my heartstrings. So this one's more of a peachy pink, especially with that gold shimmer in it. It really draws more peach, and I love this one. Love it, love it. All right, gonna do a top coat on that one too. Look at that. Ah, juicy. So I really did enjoy these, and I can't wait to wear them on my own nails. And I hope you'll, give them a look-see. There's my 3 bottles. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.